fault toward love, that I have been afflicted and ashamed. And since pardon has been granted me for the failing, from now on it befits me to sing how in my lady I can every day find new wisdom, new worth, and beauty more fine and more great. So pleasing and beautiful are her features, and her noble body, and her choice noble speech, that when I see her I think I'll distinguish myself, and then I lose myself the more she gives me frank answer. And from fear I go looking for excuses, as if I had come for some other matter. And all this ought to help me in pleading, for I would never feel such fear if it didn't move me from faithful love. All my days I will be fearful of pleading. You know why? Because I am bold and loving. For one asks better for a gift when it's more than for a great one, for which all are envious. And for this reason, because the gift is so rich, though I want it entirely, I don't dare ask her for it. But this I know, if she wished to give it to me, I would have of the world the best, and she the most faithful lover. She could well make me joyful with less, but such a rich joy is not set aside for me, nor do I ask it of her, for I wouldn't be heard. But I speak of it because I am envious of it. For it is the custom of a man who is in love, when he can do nothing else, to delight in speaking. And I, at least since I can do nothing more, would hold the speaking as an honor. But gossips make me afraid. At least this much I will say in my songs, that her noble body is garnished with beauty. If only mercy were there, which is the root of all goods. But in her fails, and I wish it were there, for I have too great harm from it many times. And still it is more grievous for me to bear, that in my lady I find something to amend. But she would never need an amender if she took pity on my pain. Lady Alice, you make yourself so much praised by all the world, that it's not for me to speak. But may God never give me good of love, if I don't love one more beautiful and better.